Today's video, basically, I just want to see what the back of my head looks like. Sometimes I make videos for my own sake. You know, sometimes it's the same with merch. I make merch for myself, not really for other people. Things that I'll use on a daily basis that would also benefit other people at the end of the day. So this video, I just want to really see what's going on at the back of my head. If you remember, quite some time ago, I made a chop along the back because my dreads were too long back there, and I just went right down to the scalp so I could freeform some new dreadlocks in. And this is what they're looking like right now. So as you can see, they're definitely forming. It's taking a while, but that's normal. I'm gonna have to put some math together and see how many months it's been going on back here. I gotta look back at a few older videos, so I'll put that right along the bottom of this video somewhere. It feels like they're starting to just kind of form into one big dread back there. Right now they look like they're all separated, but I can see how it's probably going to turn out to be one or two dreads down the road.